Okay, today we are adding integers. Right? You might ask, what is an integer, Coach Caps? Well, an integer is basically, in layman's terms, whole numbers that could be positive or negative. So, like example one, you're like, oh, I think I knew this answer in first grade. 4 plus 7. We're going to go with 11. You would be correct. Okay, but the second one says negative 4 plus 7. Okay, there's numerous different ways to solve this problem. No one way is better than the other, really, or necessarily wrong or right. So let's look at the screen that has a number line. If we had 4, when we started out at negative 4, I'm sorry. We start at negative 4 and we're adding 7 to this. You would go to the right. So add 7 to negative 4, your starting point would be negative 4. Then you add 7, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget to count the 0. 5, 6, 7. So the answer would be, nice little circle there. The answer is going to be 3. So the answer to negative 4 plus 7 is 3. Another way to do this is to let's take a similar problem. Let's take negative 2 plus 6. Okay. Another way to look at this without the number line, because sometimes these numbers are going to be really too high to actually use a number line. But to use these without the number line, you could say, okay, the rule is if I have two of the same signs, then I'm adding the two numbers. If I have two things, the two integers, if they have two different signs, then I'm subtracting. So if they're the same signs, you add. If they're the different signs, you subtract. So let's look at these. Basically, you're combining two integers. All right, so let's look at this for a second. We have a negative 2, and we have a positive 6. Those are two different signs, a negative and a positive. So if the signs are the same, we add. If the signs are different, we subtract. So 6 minus 2 would be 4.